My dear students, in advanced accounts, this is one of the important question that we need to calculate intrinsic value of equity share. Intrinsic value is also known as net asset value or book value, and it is also called as normal value of equity share. This valuation is based on net assets. Net assets is equal to, we have to take all the assets less debentures less preference shareholders claim. Okay, all assets should be taken at the market value minus outsider liabilities minus debentures minus preference shareholder claim. This is what I am going to do. Here the formula is intrinsic value or normal value of equity share is equal to amount belongs to equity shareholders by total number of equity share. See, these are the adjustments which are given. Goodwill to be taken at 2,20,000. 10% provision for bad debts is required. Buildings are now at 2 lakhs. Preference dividends is arrears for 2 years. Debenture interest is owing for 1 year. Calculate intrinsic value of equity share. This is the question which we have seen. This is the question which we have seen. Now I will show the working notes which is required to do. Because how many shares are there, that I need to say. See the question and copy the question. The total number of equity shares are total number of equity shares. How to find out? That is the important question. Equity capital is given as 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs divided by each share value 100 means how many shares are there? 4,000 shares are there. This is the working note number 1. Then second working note is preference dividends are outstanding for 2 years. Preference dividend. This is the adjustment which is given actually. 1 lakh into 9% into 2 years means 18,000 is outstanding for preference dividends. And if you see the third one, debenture interest is outstanding for 1 year. Means here debentures are given 50,000 and 8% interest is owing for 1 year. Means debenture interest outstanding is 4 years. My dear student, this is the working notes which you have to do. You just copy it. After that, what you are going to do, I want to say, just take this. Here calculation of net assets or amount belongs to equity shareholders, you have to write. Take all assets at the market value. Okay, first you need to take assets at market value. Here you can write heading calculation of net assets. Yeah, I will show right now. From assets I am going to deduct outsider liabilities, then debentures. Debentures are also outsider liabilities only, then preference shareholders claim. Now I will show in my notes. My dear students, now see goodwill market value is given 2,20,000, plant and machinery, and if any market value is there, we have to take market value, other than we have to take the book value which is appearing in the balance sheet. Then my dear students, less outsider liabilities. Outsider liabilities means sundry creditors, bills payable, provision for tax, other than that debentures and debenture interest outstanding. The total amount into 1,94,000. If I deduct this, I got this. Then my dear students, less preference shareholders claim, like preference share capital, preference dividends. I have shown the working notes. Net assets, net intrinsic value of equity share